I would describe the fund as a smaller company's growth fund. I think of it as growth at a reasonable price. It's a fund where we're trying to find growth companies, growth themes, and growth megatrends.
We're looking for companies that are growing at above average rates, both on the top and bottom line. And we're realistic about the fact that when you're looking for those types of companies, you'll have to pay a higher multiple than you otherwise would normally have to. So we're willing to pay up a little bit for companies that have higher growth potential.
We're trying to find companies that are going to grow for a very long time, that we can tuck away and not worry about. Clearly, we're going to monitor these companies, and we might trim our position around the edges, but it's something we want core to the portfolio. Our largest theme is a theme that we refer to as a better mousetrap. It represents almost 25% of the portfolio. And these are companies who have a leading product. They're not startup companies, but they have a product which actually is taking share. IPG Photonics is a company that we've owned for a very long time. It is a company that makes lasers. They make a certain type of laser called a fiber laser, which is the next generation from a typical CO2 laser company. It requires less power. It is more efficient. It is the same price as a CO2 laser, and it's been a phenomenal company that is broken into various end markets, and they continue to grow. We've owned this company since the IPO.
And where are we in terms of the shift to these next generation lasers in the industry?
The industry penetration for fiber lasers is on the order of 25%, and it continues to make a greater penetration. There are other companies that are coming up with fiber lasers to compete, but these guys have been able to stay a couple of years ahead of the competition.
Where do you think that penetration could go over time?
I think it could probably get to close to 75%, and I think that's what some of the industry experts are also saying.